Yeah, what a long drive. What a long drive. And at least the best thing you can do is to completely clean everything, water all your plants, take out the trash, make sure everything's set up so that when you get back you don't have to do anything. You're just ready to roll. Well, didn't think I'd need to be making claims before breakfast, but here we are. It's no use getting pissed off, miserable at these types of things. It's just life. It's what happens. Just deal with it. You know, it's not gonna change. I don't feel too bad about it. I'll have a deductible to pay. You know, I just gotta save up. Pay the bills. You know, do the things that you do. I'm glad everyone involved was okay, and I'm glad the damage was as minor as it was. But a piece of advice is don't come to a sudden full stop in the middle of full speed traffic. At least I got my vacation in before all that. Gotta do a little washing the gear, making sure I got everything checks out, and for sure gotta dry the tent and the liner, what do you call it? The foam pad. Yep. And to put it all back in boxes. Well, I gotta say, considering I haven't been able to run for most of this year, I made a pretty damn good recovery. Yep, and it's times like this where I'm eternally grateful I am as physically capable as I am, that I have a healthy body, not injured, nothing. And so it is my goal to keep it that way for as long as possible. And with little left to do, let's check my weight. Wearing about the same amount as I was before, belly's full, well hydrated, so let's... Huh. Only lost a couple pounds. More or less. Not bad. Well, just about everything's put away now. Did a lot of rearranging and setting up for the next trip. So, that pretty much signifies the end of this adventure. It's been real. There's nothing else after this. Thank you for watching. And hopefully the videos turn out alright. So, take it easy. Follow me for more.